This is my 1998 Landau boat that I'm putting up for sale. As you can see, about 16 feet long. It used to be a Florida Fish and Game boat. So it's got the gator catch bar on the front. It's all welded aluminum. It's one of the rare boats because it's got a tunnel hole in it. It also has a 98 Johnson motor on it. Keep it pretty well up to date on the maintenance. Just replaced the impeller, greased it all up, had the car ready, taken apart and cleaned. It's pretty good running old motor. I'll just show you the crank. All the internals look good, and I replaced all the oil in the gear housing with Lucas 80-90 weight. Stripped all the carpet out of it in case you want to paint the floor. I didn't like the carpet because it rotted out. I painted the deck up here. Replaced the springs. Painted the whole boat, and my buddy is kind of retarded, so I can put primer on this side. He wasn't listening to me, so got a little primer on it. That's what it was supposed to look like. A nice little splatter paint. You can really tell blue laid into gray at the front. It's pretty hard to see when you're out on the water. In case you want to evade the game warden. No offense to the game wardens who might be watching this video. Yeah. Like I said, it's got a new hub on this side. Also new springs on this side. Galvanized boat trailer, pretty good shape. The only thing it's missing really is a little kickstand leg. Broke off last winter. Wasn't paying attention. Might need a new tow cord. But all in all, it's a good boat. Got some frog spit on the bottom of it. That's pretty much it. Except for sale. I'll put all the stuff in writing about how much it's going to cost and everything, and then always contact me. Thanks for watching my video.